Where'd you get all those?
It's bunch of balloons. Let me show you. You just connect it to the hose, and then you turn on the water. They all fill up at once. When they're full, you just give it a shake, and they all fall off.
They tie themselves?
Yep, pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Josh Malone, inventor of Bunch of Balloons, the fastest and easiest way to make water balloons. My kids and I love water balloons. While I sat there for hours filling and tying, I tried to think of ways to make it faster and easier. With my kids' help, I developed and tested several different techniques and prototypes. And finally, a few months ago, I invented Bunch of Balloons. Bunch of Balloons fills and ties 100 water balloons in less than a minute. The design is now complete and we're ready for production. Let's see how much faster and easier Bunch of Balloons is. Which method can make the most balloons in 1 minute? The old-fashioned way, 6 balloons. Tie knot, 8 balloons. Zorbs, 10 balloons. But with Bunch of Balloons, you can make 100 water balloons in a minute. Which team do you want to be on?
We always use water balloons for our annual Boy Scout event. We use about 1,000 balloons. So the day before, we spend the whole day filling and tying these balloons. Imagine the first time I was introduced to Bunch of Balloons. It is going to save me so much time now.
Last year, I finally learned how to tie water balloons, but it took too long and it hurt my fingers. I'm so glad my dad invented Bunch of Balloons. Water balloons aren't so much work anymore. They're just plain fun.
We are excited to launch Bunch of Balloons on Kickstarter. If you will back and share our campaign, we will be able to purchase equipment and materials for mass production. We will manufacture and ship orders to our earliest customers in just a few weeks. Please sign up for one of our rewards and be one of the first customers to enjoy the Bunch of Balloons advantage in your next water balloon war.
GoDonut is a new lightweight and portable device stand that allows smartphone and tablet users to enjoy hands-free use of their devices anywhere. GoDonut is designed to be used for all major phones and tablets and comes in a variety of exciting colors. The stand requires no installation and is used by inserting the device into one of the slots. There are multiple angles to place your device in, so you can have the ultimate viewing experience. GoDonut is perfect for using while studying, cooking, watching movies, and much more. It's durable, waterproof, and easy to fit in your bag to take on the go. GoDonut is also available with an optional swivel stand that provides 360 degrees rotation for the perfect hands-free viewing experience. Change the way you use your phones and tablets forever and pick up a GoDonut today. Now available on Kickstarter.
The MacBook has become thinner, lighter, and more powerful with every iteration. But most users have missed the MagSafe, one of the best features of the old design. Introducing MagX, a magnetic adapter that brings back the MagSafe experience we all love. Now you can charge your MacBook at up to 100 watts. Yeah, just like before. You will never want to use anything else after trying the MagX just once. It's not just convenient. The MagX protects the USB-C against dust, wear and tear, and even saves your MacBook from falling by accident. MagX is more than just MagSafe. With the 20-pin design, it supports up to 10 gigabits per second SuperSpeed plus data transfer and 5K video output. To make MagX compatible with the MacBook, even in appearance, we designed it using the same metallic style, making it both durable and aesthetically pleasing. MagX is not just for Mac. Its 4.3A fast charging works with all USB-C devices, including phones, tablets, and notebooks. Back us now and change the way you charge your new Mac today.